You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? You're looking at how to pronounce this Latin name, this scientific term. We'll be looking at how to say more medical terms too correctly, so stay tuned to the channel. There are different ways of pronouncing it because it's Latin, so you can have different interpretations of how it should be said from Latin. Probably the most common and the safest way to pronouncing it is Jiroveci, Jiroveci. Although some might say it also as Jiroveci, some might pronounce it also as Jiroveci or Jiroveci, because in classical Latin a C normally pronounced like a K, but also if you push it, you should say that a V is pronounced like a U in Latin, so you could say it as Jiroveci or even Jiroveci. So you see, there are different ways of pronouncing it. Jiroveci is probably one of the common ones, I would say. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful. I do appreciate your support, it helps me a lot, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.